What is up, everyone? This is Moturals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the vcomp100.dll error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting an error that basically you're missing this DLL file, I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. So all you need to do is basically search for this in Google until you come to one of the DLL files, like this one, for example, a website, to essentially download this DLL. You're going to scroll a little bit down, and you want to basically download both the 64-bit and the 32-bit version. Again, it technically depends on which version you have, like architecture, but I would recommend just downloading both of them. Once you've downloaded it, you want to open up your folder, just a normal folder. Go to this PC, go to local disk C. In here, go inside Windows. Over here, we're going to find something called System32 and syswow64. So the syswow64 is for the 64-bit architecture, and the 32 is for the 32 one. Once you open that up, just scroll a little bit down, and then over here, just copy paste that DLL, the applicable one, in this specific file here. And again, if you have both the files, download and place it for both of them. Once you do that, restart your computer, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please remember, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and the Moturals out. Peace.